Today we are packing a wooden board with a coffee filter holder and towel hangers. Such desks were popular in the second part of 20th century. Our story, however, will be about coffee filters. Did you know that they were invented in 1908? A housewife and mother of 3 children, Melitta Bentz, loved coffee. She started her days with a cup of coffee. She loved coffee, but didn't like the bitterness in its taste or the grounds in her mouth. The story says that Melitta tried different materials in search of a good coffee filter, until her experiments brought her to blotting paper from her son's exercise book. She pierced holes in the bottom of a brass pot and put the paper over it. This time she was happy with the taste of the coffee. That was something different, and this is when the revolution in coffee making began. There were experiments with paper coffee filters in the 19th and even 18th centuries. The standard brewing methods in Melitta's time were porcelain percolators or fabric filters. The process was not ideal and grounds were still floating in the cup. However, in June 1908, the Imperial Patent Office granted Melitta Bentz protection for her round filter with prefabricated filter paper. The patent was officially published in the Patentblatt, Patent Bulletin, in July 1908. The first commercial paper coffee filter was a 94 mm round filter disc, patented by German inventor Melitta Bentz. She started her company in a room of her family's apartment with a starting capital of 72 pfennigs. Melitta's husband and sons were the company's first employees. The business only flourished through the years. In 1932, the company introduced the Schnell filter, in English quick filter, a cone-shaped filter holder with a circular bottom and 8, later 4, holes. It was suitable for use with squarish sheets of filter paper, which had to be pressed into shape. This system was available until 1939. In 1935, Melitta introduced the filter tube, in English filter bag, conical, fan or boat-shaped paper filters in various sizes. The coffee filters we know now. Melitta had a trademark on the term filter tube, filter bag, which is why other manufacturers had to use different terms for similar products. The Melitta company still remains a significant leader in the coffee industry nowadays. You can find Melitta coffee filters in any European supermarket. What coffee filter do you use for your morning coffee?